Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Today, as you can tell, I've only got one eye done, so we're going to do a quick tutorial video on how to do a Smokey corner, thank you, corner eye like that. Something real easy, and I've already got literally everything else done except for this eye. So we're going to go ahead with the Farmasi Smokey eye palette that I've got. And we're going to get started with that. First thing I'm going to do is put a little concealer on this bottom part of my lid so that the colors pop a little bit more. It's concealer. Concealer.
It's sticky.
Yeah, it's sticky. That's right.
It's a bit sticky in your face.
Yeah, it's a little sticky in your face. It's a little sticky. It gives something for the pigment to stick to on the eyeshadow. So you just want to, can you see, Ruby? Yeah. You just paint it on like that.
I see myself.
Yeah, you see yourself?
Yeah.
But I can't see myself when you do that. And I need to be able to put my makeup on. You just want to give it a second. You got to kind of work fast because this will dry fast, especially if you put it on thin. So you got to work a little bit faster. But take your eyeshadow.
You.
Yes, you look beautiful. We're going to take a brush like this, just a regular eyeshadow brush. And we're going to start with this silver color on the end here. The shades don't have names, so I can't tell you a name. Now we're just going to push the pigment in and then pull a little bit. But you want to start with pushing it in so that it...
For you?
Uh-huh. Oh, thank you. I don't need that one, though.
For you.
Okay.
For mine.
When you push it, instead of brushing it like this, it gives it a little bit better pigment that'll pop up on your eye a little bit. You can't really see it. I wish you could see the color coming up a little bit better, but it's a really pretty silver. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let me turn the light down a little bit. Maybe that'll help. No. Ooh. Okay. So now that color's on there, we've got it nice and shivery. You have spiders on your eyes? Huh. They're beautiful. Now you can take, if you have multiple eyeshadow brushes, you can take a clean brush like this one to start your black. Or if you don't have that, I have one of these things. I do have multiple brushes, but I have one of these things. And this does not clean your brushes. Oh, thank you. But it actually will clean the pigment off of it so that it doesn't transfer colors when you're trying to do different. See, the inside of it's like scratchy, almost like a Brillo pad. And you just take like this, and it cleans that pigment off the end of the brush so you can switch to a different color. And it's called, it was like $10. It's Hue Shadow Switching Pan is what that's called. You can get them at a lot of places nowadays. And now we're just going to take that black with the same brush. And you want to work in the corner of your eye, that little triangle right there, okay? I'm going to try and do it. Let's see. Oh.
What is this?
Now I have, what is it? I don't know. I have hooded eyes, so I have to bring this shadow up pretty high in order for you to be able to see it when I open my eyes like that. Like, it's almost, see how it's almost into my brow? But that's okay. I'm going to pat it on there and kind of blend it out a little bit. Now, let me see in the mirror.
Oh, it's dark. It's too dark. It's dark.
It's too dark?
I need this.
Oh, well, you heard her. She said it's too dark. I don't think it's dark enough, but
I need this.
I like dark colors, though. Now, this is a pretty way to do a smoky eye if you don't want to do a dramatic smoky eye where your whole lid is black and then it smokes up into gray into your eye. If you're just getting into makeup, this is a really pretty everyday look. It's really easy, just takes a few minutes to do. Now I'm going to set that brush down, and I need to get one of these brushes here to blend it out a little bit.
Find yours.
And I'm just going to work and pull, and you're wanting to do circles and pull it up and over. Okay. Thank you.
Find mine.
Now I can never get my eyes to like look exactly the same. I shoot for somewhat close. I think it needs to come up a little bit more and smoke it out a little bit more.
I need this.
Now when you put
I need this.
okay. When you put dark shadows on the corner of your eye,
It's a
it's going
dog.
to open your eyes up and make your eyes look much bigger. I don't know if you noticed in the beginning of my video how much bigger this eye looked
Oh no,
than
drop it.
my unfinished
I need
one, but
it.
it does make your eyes look much bigger. Okay, and that's how it's supposed to look, right like that. You want to just blend that corner in and just slowly bring it over just little by little into that gray. You don't want to get carried away because it's really easy to suddenly look like a raccoon when you're working with black. I love this little thing. It's great when you're trying to do makeup in a hurry, but like I said, it does not clean your brushes, so that you still need to clean your brushes. I'm going to try and take this, because I have hooded eyes, you can't really, when I look up, you can't see this gray, so I'm going to take this gray and pull it up almost even with that black right there, so that way when I open my eye, you'll be able to see it. And you can do that with this brush, or you can do it with a smaller one. I'll show you here in a second.
Okay.
Yeah, that worked.
Yeah.
You can do it with this brush here, just a regular shadow brush, or you can do it with one of these denser brushes. Works pretty good because it compacts the color right there where you need it. If you're worried about your shadow getting out of control.
This big one?
And yeah, that big one. Okay, now that we've got those two colors down, we're gonna go with the white and highlight our brow bone, this part up here. See how nice and blended that looks? It's a beautiful color to blend out. And that you do need one of these thinner, thicker brushes for that. And I like to start right here.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
just pat it on and kind of brush it out.
This one. White.
And you want to blend it down into that black and into that
Yeah.
gray. Okay, well since Ruby's taking over the camera, I'm going to try and use my vanity mirror.
White. Here. Perfect.
And perfect.
Oh my God.
And I like to
Wonderful.
soften. You don't have to, but see how soft
Oh, it's fine,
this is? I don't like, you can have hard lines right here if that's what you're going for. But I don't like that kind of look, so I try to soften it down with the
fine.
white.
Yours. I find yours.
You find mine? Okay, thank you. But I already have that on. I don't need it.
What that?
I think it's your sis doing her homework.
No, not. My favorite.
Okay. There we go. There's that look so far. It's a nice soft look. Not done yet. We're going to put a little eyeliner on. Let me get all my brushes out of the way.
No, I'm not done too.
We're not done. No, we're not. Not done yet, huh?
I'll be done in a minute.
Yeah, we'll be done in a minute. Now this is the liquid liner that I use.
Papa be soon. Papa be soon.
Yeah. Okay.
I see better soon.
Feel better soon? Okay.
Yeah.
It's called Pretty Vulgar is the name of it.
I know.
The ink
I'm
gel
Nanny.
liner. This is awesome and it's
Nanny,
lasted
Mama.
forever. And then just this one.
I'm Nanny.
I don't know what brand this is because it's all wore off of it, but this is just an angled brush. A thinner one.
Okay.
Leave it.
Okay.
I'm going to get just a little bit. I don't like getting a whole lot. I mean, you can see I barely put any on there. And what you're going to do is I always start at the corner of my eye, and you want to draw a line from the corner of your eye, imaginary line, up to your the edge of your eyebrow, okay? That's the angle. You don't want to draw the line all the way there, but that's the angle you want to take, like as if you were going to connect the two.
Yeah.
Right like that.
Yeah.
See? Okay. And then you take it back. If you like it thin like that, that's fine. Wear it like that. If you want to work,
Okay.
I make it a little bit thicker though.
This Yeah. Just look.
Uh-huh, I see. I see you messing with my lighting as I'm trying to do my makeup here. And then I'll start from the inside edge and work my way
Turn it up.
that way. Here, let me see.
I want it. Oh, it's not better.
Winged eyeliner is extremely difficult to do, but don't be afraid of it. It just takes
I tried it,
lots
Mom.
and lots and lots of
done.
practice. And a really good trick, I don't know why it works, but one eye will always be easier for you to do than the other. In my case, my right eye is always really easy for me to do. They say if you start with your left eye first, get your left eye done, then it's easier and you do your right eye. Start with the eye that gives you trouble. For some reason, it works. I don't know. With that done, I'm gonna put a little eyeliner, and I only put eyeliner on half of my eye. Okay, you wanna
Hello, guys.
about where your
Morning, guys.
eye is there.
I tried it. It's better.
If you do your whole lid, that's fine. It's just gonna make your eyes look a little bit smaller. It leaves them a little bit opened up. Oops, I've put too much there. That's okay. Eyeliner's a little unruly, so we're gonna take a Q-tip and try to clean it up a little bit. There we go.
I want to see.
Okay.
Too high.
Now we're gonna take and
Yeah, it's too high.
curl our eyelashes,
It's too high.
and then we're gonna put the Zen mascara on for us. What's too high?
Put it off. This one off.
You got your spiders off?
Yeah.
I'm
And turn
Okay.
off. I like.
really trying to get my eyelashes to curl really good, but we'll see. I don't know. Now, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I've got something there. So I'm just gonna take my foundation sponge.
I like.
Foundation and a little bit of concealer. Fix a lot of messes that you can make in makeup. And we're gonna take that mascara, and then start at the base and wiggle a little bit, and then pull it up.
I'll try it. Need tonight. Put it off. This one off. And turn off. What? Need nine. See off. What?
There we go.
Nine.
Ruby, you gonna come say goodbye?
Oh, I
There we go.
Goodbye.
Nice and easy, quick outer shadow.
Goodbye.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you supposed to say?
That's right.
Subscribe. Like and subscribe, huh? Like and subscribe. If you enjoyed our video, if this was helpful for you, if you like Ruby, be sure to like and subscribe, huh?
That's right.
Okay. Thank you. Say
Thank you.
bye.
Bye.